Hi everyone, and I am Dora de Zamboanga and I will be teaching you some basic Chavacano words. Opo. Hindi po talaga ako masyadong magaling but I will teach you the one I know or something is common to all of us here. So sa lahat po ng mga Chavacano speakers dyan, kung alam nyo po at kung mas magtalino po kayo at kung mas nakakaalam po kayo, you are free to comment and not to buy. Okay, so we will start with hi. So simple lang po. Hola. Yan, it stands for hi and hello. Hola. Yan. Then, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, every morning is buenos dias. That stands for good day. Buenos dias. Yan. And good afternoon is buenas tardes. Good evening. Buenas noches. Yan. Because buenas stands for good and afternoon stands for tarde. So that's what buenas tardes. Buenas noches. Correct. But if buenas is alone, so the definition of buenas is lucky. If it stand alone as one word. Lucky. So pwede na din. Lucky afternoon. Hola. Buenos dias. Mi nombre es Dora. And welcome to Chavacano 101. I will be teaching you how to speak Chavacano. We'll start with the corresponding Chavacano words in our family members. Tata, Nana, Hermano, Hermana. If you want to introduce them, you just say, Di mio hermano. Or, you can use the three, Di mio, or mi. Di mio is a native Chavacano words. And di mio is we often use it every day here in Zamboanga. But if you want to sound like Espanol, you can use also mi. Mi hermana. Di mio hermana is considered also correct. So both are correct. Baby, niño. If it's girl, niña. So like my video for more videos to come and for more Chavacano learning. Thank you.
Hola, mi nombre es Dora and welcome to Chavacano 101. And this time, I will give to you the corresponding Chavacano words in our extended family. Abuela, abuelo, tío, tía, madrina,
Padrino,
apu, even it's a girl or a boy, but it's apu. Novio, novia. Like my video and follow me for another Chavacano learning. Gracias!
Yes, and hola, yo si Dora de Zamboanga otra vez, and welcome to Chavacano 101. And today I will be teaching you a corresponding Chavacano words in some common greetings here in Zamboanga. We will start with gracias, de nada, buenvenidos, felices Pascua, felices cumpleaños, felices Año Nuevo. Actually, the Felices Pascua. If you will say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, you are always saying here in Zamboanga as Felices Pascua y Prospero Año Nuevo. And that is equivalent to Merry Christmas and Prosperous New Year. Yes, but if you will say, just say New Year, Happy New Year, so Happy stands for Felices, and New Year stands for Nuevo, Año Nuevo. So, Felices Año Nuevo. Okay, like my video for more Chavacano learnings. Hola, and mi nombre es Dora, and welcome to Chavacano 101. And today, I will be teaching you a corresponding Chavacano words of these words. Okay, so we will start with a singular form. Iyo. Etu. Oste. It can be ebo. But however, ebo is not used here in Zamboanga because if you will use ebo, you don't have respect to the person you are talking. We have, okay, it's mio or pwede din de mio. Correct. Yan. De tuyo, de usted. Yan. De tuyo, de usted. Pwede din debo, but however, debo is not used again because kasi parang wala kang respeto. And next we have sa kanya. So it means de suyo. De suyo. Let's proceed to the plural form. It's first we have di amon. De amon. And then second, yes, di inyo. Di inyo. Next, de ila. Di ila este. Di ila este. Yan, and of course, we can also use conmigo, which means sa akin, and contigo, which means sa iyo. Yan. Conmigo. Contigo. Ayan. So, like my videos for more Chavacano learnings. Bye!